Hello and welcome back to another Computer Sluggish tutorial. Before we get started, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button on my main page. And once you have done this, don't forget to click on that bell to be the first to get notified when I upload a new video. In today's video, I will be showing you how to add the hibernation option to your power button. If I go down to the bottom left hand corner of my screen and open up my start menu, and if I now right click on my power button, I have a hibernate option, and this will put my computer into hibernation. But by default, Windows 10 has this option disabled. To enable this option, all we need to do is open our start menu up again, and you now need to click on the settings cog, or you can right click on the start menu and go to settings. Once you are in Windows settings, we now need to click on system, and you now need to click on power and sleep. Once we're in power and sleep, you now need to go to the right hand side and click on additional power settings, and you now need to click on choose what the power button does, and we now need to click on change settings that are currently unavailable, because as you can see at the bottom here, all the options are greyed out. But if we now click on this option here, we can adjust these settings. And you now need to simply click on hibernate here and just make sure you've got a tick in the checkbox like I do. Once you do have a tick in the checkbox, you now need to go ahead and press save changes, and you will now have the hibernate option under shutdown. And it really is that easy. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more computer sluggish tutorials.